Extra large size, suitable for dogs of all sizes. The toy is sturdy enough to withstand even the most enthusiastic chewing and scratching from large dogs. Even if dropped from a height onto stone, it will still work just fine. All parts are attached to the toy's main body, so none of them can fall off. Fully guarantees your dog's safety during use. A hemispherical food bowl that is very difficult for dogs to break with their teeth. Innovative design inside the food bowl. The paw blocking feature prevents dogs from directly licking food out of the bowl. Cleaning is easier. The bowl can be placed in the dishwasher for high temperature cleaning. It can also be rinsed directly with clean water. Once washed and dried, it can be used again.
Unleash your dog's genius!